GTA 5 is free. You guys need to download GTA 5. This is an amazing value. GTA 5 has never been free before. I'm gonna help you guys download GTA 5. I have the relevant links you guys need. I'm gonna talk to you guys about the installer and what to do if you're on Mac and that kind of thing. So if you guys are interested in getting GTA 5 for your PC, stick around because I am gonna be helping you out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I specialize in PC gaming and PC laptop benchmarks, and so I can help you guys pick the right computer. You can get the game for free, and this is a one-time offer, so you better take that offer. It's a pretty freaking good offer. That game, they spent hundreds of millions of dollars developing that game. The least thing you could do is play that game. It's really, really fun. Download it right now. You only have like 12 hours to download GTA 5. So Epic Games and Rockstar came together and they made GTA 5 free for the next day. It's actually been free already for about a week, but not everybody's catching on. So why are they doing this? Well, they're trying to promote their online gaming platform. GTA 5 already has like about 100 million downloads, but the thing is they're trying to really expand that online gameplay. They're saying they're offering like millions of dollars of bonus cash or whatever, so you can catch up to veteran players. If any of you were thinking about pulling the trigger on GTA 5, now's the best time. The game is free and the whole video game industry is making a shift towards microtransactions. Games are gonna become free. That's just how it is. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by saying you need a game launcher. Download the Epic Games launcher, and then once the launcher is downloaded and installed, you can select Grand Theft Auto 5 in the promotions tab under the store and just kind of get the game that way. Definitely do it before tomorrow, 8 a.m. Pacific time, because they're gonna just discontinue it at that point, and then who knows when it'll be free again. So if you guys are interested in the game, do it, because it could be some time before you actually get another chance to get it for free legally again. The online play for GTA 5 is supposedly really good. I haven't actually played it yet, but I am looking forward to giving it a shot. A lot of people are asking me how to get GTA 5 for their Macs because they realize it's only for Windows. Well, it turns out you need to get Windows installed on your Mac. You can't keep using your Mac the same way. You need a completely different operating system because GTA 5 is not supported on Mac OS. So what you need is Windows. So within your Mac, you should have a program called Boot Camp. What you want to do is you're going to use that program in conjunction with a thing called an ISO. So what you need to do is go to Microsoft's website, get a Windows 10 ISO from their site for free. So Windows usually costs money, but Microsoft's giving it out for free. You can use it for a while. You may lose a few features after the trial ends, but you can still use it to play games. And overall, the operating system works pretty good. So I would say definitely go to their website. I will have a link in the description below, so definitely take a look at it. You get their ISO, and then on your Mac, you search in your apps tray, you search for Boot Camp. And then Boot Camp will basically open up. There's a few windows you click next through, and then you can grab that ISO and you can mount the ISO onto your own drive. If you have an old version of Boot Camp, you'll need a flash drive. If you have a more modern system, it may be able to partition the Windows ISO and install it directly on the drive that you're using. Mac has a way of doing that, but only if you're fully updated. So I recommend you guys get updated if you haven't. And if you already have Windows, well then don't worry about it, because it probably already works. Since there's a huge influx of new players coming in now, I think it would be really fun to try it out and play. GTA 5 as a single player story was actually a really, really fun game. It's actually considered, I think, one of the best games ever made. It has the highest production value. It's got the best voice acting that I've ever seen in the game, and it's pretty funny actually. Like the voice actors and the story characters, they're actually like the same people. It's really hilarious. They like use the same face real life and put it in the games. It's really neat that they did that, and the story is just phenomenal. You guys should definitely check it out. The thing that makes GTA 5 so awesome is that it's open world gameplay. So you go out there, you start playing, you basically just do whatever you want. And then when you're ready to do some missions, you can do that. Or if you just want to explore the world, that's also available. The game just has so much freedom, and overall there's just quality everywhere you look. The vehicles are fun to drive. They're not too realistic where it would be just like a bore and kind of annoying, but they're optimized for, like, you know, playing like a game on the computer or on the console. It's kind of fun, it's kind of easier. It's much easier than GTA 4. So if you play GTA 4, I thought the driving was kind of wonky. GTA 5 driving is definitely a lot more fun. And now a message from our sponsors. Vanin makes great Wi-Fi repeaters. This little device here can help increase the signal in your home. A lot of times when people are playing games online or if they're using their internet browsing, they may lose a connection, that kind of thing. It could be because you have a weak signal in your home. This is why getting a Wi-Fi repeater is a great idea. What it does is it receives the signal from the router after you set these up, and what it does is it refreshes the signal and sends it out again. So depending on how your house is set up, if you have multiple rooms, so let's say you have multiple stories in your home and you're losing connection in a bedroom, or you're losing connection in the kitchen or living room, or vice versa. Wherever you have a weak connection, you set up one of these Wi-Fi repeaters, and what they do is they refresh the signal and they send it out, and it gets to all the other devices. That way you guys have a much better connection. You can download things quicker, you can view things. Overall, it just makes the experience so much better by increasing the range. Definitely check out their guys' product. They're really, really cool. I'll be leaving links in the description below, so please take a look. And if you have any questions about Wi-Fi repeaters, I'm definitely standing by to help you guys out. Or if you have any other tech needs, subscribe and ask your question below. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys subscribe and stick around. I've made a lot of different little computers. I've tested laptops and created desktops and mini bare bones systems and that kind of thing. They all play GTA 5 and play other games. So if you guys are interested in gaming but you're looking to get some hardware, this is a good channel for you guys. I would highly recommend sticking around, checking the channel out, because I have reviewed a lot of different machines and laptops and PC builds. You guys can learn how to either make your own PC or where to get a good computer that can play GTA 5. I also have some options where you can play GTA 5 for like $100 computer basically. So definitely check that out. The Intel Compute Stick and the Intel Nook are two really good systems you can get that can play GTA 5. Maybe not perfectly, but it still can game, still pretty awesome. You guys should definitely check that video out. There will be a card up top to the right, so press that and select the video. And again, if you guys have any questions, I'm always here standing by to help you either set up GTA 5 or help you pick a computer or help you build a PC, whatever it is, whatever tech need you have, I'm always here for you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Cheers.